Samsung has discontinued using their Exynos chipset in their flagship devices until 2025, and they did this to make sure they are competitive with Apple and Qualcomm's offerings, which the current Exynos chips are clearly not. Samsung will follow Apple's approach and make the Exynos chip specifically tailored for Galaxy phones only. Galaxy Club sources say that the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus will use a 10-megapixel telephoto camera like the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra will also keep its 10-megapixel 10x optical zoom camera too. That doesn't exclude other possible changes to the zoom cameras, but it seems likely that nothing will change if it's the same resolution sensor. As for ultra-wide, Galaxy Club again claims the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus will stay with 12-megapixel sensors. There's no news about the Galaxy S23 Ultra's ultra-wide camera, although we'd expect it won't change either. With the Galaxy S23 Ultra's rumored 200-megapixel main camera upgrade, a lot of people are excited to see what it can do. Samsung leaker Ice Universe took to Weibo to show off a comparison image between two cameras, one with a 200-megapixel sensor and one 108-megapixel sensor. The image is zoomed to 16x magnification with AI enhancement disabled. You can clearly see the differences in the photo above. The 200-megapixel shot is cleaner with less fuzziness and sharper focus. Artificial intelligence is the future. It's good to have the raw power, but it's equally important to have great AI capabilities on phone, because AI take over the majority of things we do on a phone in the next coming years. Google is the master when it comes to AI, so this is good news for the future of Samsung chipsets. Ice Universe has posted the image by simply writing Galaxy S23 using the insidious emoji, even though the tipster claims that the CAD renders of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The image really seems to support the tipster's repeated statements that the Samsung flagship would be losing some of the curves that were carried by the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The formerly curved edge has been significantly decreased to create a crisper and flatter appearance for the next Galaxy S23 Ultra, making it obvious just how flat the display is in the image. Additionally, as Ice Universe has previously noted, the rounded corners have also seemingly been squared off during the design changeover from S22 Ultra to S23 Ultra. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.